Hey my friends, it's Wake Angel 2001, and we're coming at you with another unboxing. Got a couple things in the mail today. Number one is a simple package, which I'm pretty sure has more toys for me to customize. And the other is this big old envelope, which I'm pretty sure has some framed artwork. So I say, let's go with the framed artwork one first, because that's going to be fun. Okay, so let's get out the scissors. By the way, I hope you guys enjoyed the Zoe the Fox custom video that I posted earlier today. The other customs are also on their way. My avatar figure should be the one that's done next. And I'm not sure which is going to happen first, Rouge or Bunny, but both of those are also coming. Alright. Okay, we got a newspaper. Business news. Volkswagen invests in battery production. Ah, Volkswagen must be putting out some electric cars. Yep. Okay, so the newspaper, which was used to prevent scratches. Haha. Okay. Yep, it's for the fan art call that I did. It's the Wake Angel Arisen Form fan art. Yeah, like, bro, like, I said, like, you didn't have to go this far, man. Like, mailing this is glass. This costs, according to the postage on the package, this costs $7.70 to ship. You went too far, buddy. That would have been fine just with the regular picture. And apparently, there's some text here which translates to Angel X SNT, not in a shipping way. Yes, it's done in, like, he said that it was supposed to be like a pseudo manga style with only partial coloring. That's why SNT and I are gray, but I'm still wearing brown clothes. So yeah, it's kind of cute, and I like how it it has the shared destiny of SNT and Angel the dog. I was like, I'm pretty sure that around half of my subscribers are also SNT fans, because, like, I had a relatively abrupt doubling of my channel subscribers. Like, I went from, like, at the time that SNT did her unboxing video of the figure that I made for her, my subscriber count jumped from 7,000 to 14,000. It took me 8 years to get that first 7,000, and then the other 7,000 came less than 2 years, so a lot of which were saying that, told me specifically that they came from SNT's video, which got them interested more in my stuff, so I'm pretty comfortable saying that close to half of my subscriber base are also fans of her. And I'm actually showing a reflection of my computer monitor here. Don't worry, there's nothing dirty on it, just my last uploaded video to YouTube. So yeah, I'm probably going to take a picture of this so I can put it in the video. It's really nice. You went through too much effort. You really didn't have to do that, but it's appreciated. I do love it, but it's just a little bit too much effort. Yep. Okay, so cutting tape with a scissors. This is some thick tape. The scissors barely went through most of it. We're doing the box now. Okay. Oh, I can. Okay. Wow, that is. Huh, there we go. Whew. Okay, now we'll do the other side. Man, they really tape this box up tight. There's almost no slack to get the blade in between the tape and the cardboard. Like, I'm going through the corrugations of the cardboard because I can't get under the lid. Yeesh. Okay. Oh, by the way, it says that this came from somebody named Axel, but it's also from eBay, so I'm assuming that that's just the name of the eBay seller, not the actual person who sent me the thing. There we go. Alright, we got some good bubble wrap in here. Oh, okay, this is definitely... It is Jazzwares Shadow figure. A Jazzwares Shadow figure with a Mega Construx Teela figure. So this is obviously someone who wants Rouge the Bad and Mephiles the Dark. I do remember corresponding with this guy on the email, the Commission Wake Angel Gmail account. Okay, there's nothing else in here but more packing material. Alright. Well, yeah. Let's get into the sandwich bag so I can make sure everything is kosher with these, because if this guy wants to leave some feedback to the eBay seller, he'll need to know what the condition of the figures are. Alright, so Shadow is perfectly intact. I see no faults with him. All of his joints work. Some of them are a little bit loose, but it's not completely uncommon for Jazzwares to do that. And anyway, I can tighten them up with a little bit of paint or, you know, the old super glue trick. Yep. Yep. Perfectly intact Shadow figure. No faults with it. Yep. Collector quality. And the Teela figure is also perfectly fine. She has no accessories. She is just the Teela figure. Well, I guess technically she has accessories, because these little arm bracer things are removable. So I guess technically these do count as accessories, but, you know, since they're physically attached to the figure right out of the packaging, people usually don't go through the effort to you know, take those off. So yeah, perfectly good base figures. Now, normally I would be doing the enticement, showing you guys what I've been working on, but I don't think I've made much progress since the last time I did an unboxing, aside from finishing Zoe. I mean, I have the finished Zoe right here, but you've already seen her video, so you don't really need me to go showing her off to the camera again. Did I show the fully painted head of my character? He even has his little halo attached, so, you know, that's coming on. In fact, all I have to do is paint his clothes. The boots, apron, and gloves. Yep, paint those parts and that figure will be ready for reassembly. So, yeah, he's further along than Bunny or Rouge are, because Rouge still needs a little bit of stuff added to the figure, and Bunny does require a little bit of assembly too. So yeah, that's the order of operations here. So, once again, thank you all for coming to watch another one of my unboxing videos. This is Wake Angel 2001, signing off.